I haven't felt this beautiful in a long time, so it feels good.
I love makeup. I always do something, like a little bit of eyeshadow or mascara.
So my eyes are probably my favorite feature.
I do natural all the time, but the eyes always have to be popping.
If I could take my makeup off easily, then it would motivate me to put it on at the start of every day, for sure.
Always have problems removing my mascara. I'm a little excited because I want to see how it does.
I did not think that this much would come off in just one swipe. Yeah, this is very impressive.
It's so quick and easy. It's just wipe, wipe, you're done.
What? Then maybe I need to be the next 5 seconds.